Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best jewelry drawer organizer insert set available on the market. The LANDICI Stackable Jewelry Organizer Trays 4 Set. If you've ever struggled with tangled necklaces, misplaced rings, or cluttered jewelry drawers, this product might just be the solution you've been looking for. The LANDICI Organizer Set is designed with both functionality and elegance in mind. It features 4 distinct trays, each tailored for specific types of jewelry. There's a rings and watches display tray, a bracelet tray with 6 compartments and removable dividers, a 24-compartment earrings tray, and a necklace tray that includes 8 hooks. This variety means you can neatly organize every piece of your collection, from delicate earrings to bulky bracelets, all in one place. One of the standout features is the high-quality materials used in its construction. The trays combine soft beaded flannel lining and PU leather with composite boards, ensuring that your jewelry is protected from scratches and damage. The luxurious apricot color adds a vintage, French-inspired aesthetic that makes this organizer not only practical but also visually appealing on your dresser or inside your drawer. Each tray measures roughly 10 by 6.5 inches with a height close to 5 inches, giving ample room for various jewelry sizes while remaining compact enough to fit easily in most drawers or display cabinets. What makes this set especially versatile is the removable dividers, allowing you to adjust compartment sizes according to your personal needs. Whether you have many small studs or larger statement pieces, you can customize your storage space accordingly. The trays are stackable and sturdy, designed to stay securely in place without sliding around. This means you can keep your jewelry organized and easily accessible without worrying about the trays shifting or toppling over. Plus, the ability to split up or combine the trays offers flexibility whether you want a minimalist setup or a more extensive display. Beyond the practical benefits, this organizer also makes a thoughtful gift for jewelry lovers. Its elegant design and useful features make it suitable for birthdays, anniversaries, Mother's Day, or any special occasion. Whether for yourself or someone else, it's a stylish way to keep precious items safe and beautifully displayed. In summary, the LANDICI Stackable Jewelry Organizer Trays deliver on quality, style, and versatility. They protect your jewelry with soft, durable materials, offer multiple configurations with removable dividers, and save space with stackable design. For anyone looking to upgrade their jewelry storage, this set offers a perfect balance of functionality and elegance. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in getting your hands on this organizer, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.